packed. What's going on, guys? Today we're doing a little bit of a different video because we are waiting on parts, but we'll get in that at the end of the video. Today we're doing 5 things that we hate about our Magnums. I got them written down, so does he. So yeah, let's get into it. So, by the way, they're not in order. So number 1, we're gonna go with this bad boy right here, okay? Fuck it. It didn't come in a manual. It came with this Mercedes transmission. The NAG1 WA580, whatever you want to call it. Nothing impressive. And this is junk. We're going to go with number 2. We're going to take that as my engine. I don't like it because it is a truck engine. Mainly because, well, I mean, the valves drop on them. That's not an issue if you keep up on them and don't let them overheat or anything like that. Don't let me get you wrong. It doesn't sound the way I want it to. Even with an exhaust on it, it's not going to sound the way I want it to. It's not going to sound like a... I don't want to say it. That's number 2. Go number 3 is the terrible ass suspension up front. But my front is just fucking garbage. I've replaced them struts, steel clunks. It's just not a pleasant noise, especially when fucking just trying to drive around town and cruise. Trying to listen to my exhaust or listen to music, and I hear that fucking clunk. So that's not, I don't like that. Number 4 would definitely have to be when you pop this fucking hood and you go to check your you go to check your transmission fluid. Oh, you can't. You know why? Because fuck you, Mercedes. Supposedly, some Mercedes cars with the WA580 have a transmission dipstick, so I don't get it. I can get one, but still, it would have been nice to have one from the factory, you know. Whatever. We'll go number 5. The wiring is all fucky in this motherfucker. What can I say? I can't put it no nicer. I mean, this doesn't have nothing to do with it, but my turn signal stock, when I go to turn, I have to manually turn it off. My lights flicker. This light doesn't work. I'm afraid to use that because, you know, it's a fucking sunroof. And then my 12 volt 10 amp cigarette lighter does not work. Neither does the one in the back. My ECU trying to communicate with my TCM, that's a problem. I had to put electrical grease on there and a bunch of other shit to get some codes off, but it's fine now. Other than that, like coil packs right now, that's all that's fucked up with my electrical stuff, I want to say. That is my 5 things that I hate about my Dodge Magnum RT. Oh, one honorable mention. I have to put it in there. I'm 5'7", 5'8". This is a big ass steering wheel, okay? I don't need this. You can knock 20 mil off this motherfucker and I will be happy.
My turn to give my 5 things I hate about my Dodge Magnum. I have the SXT version 2006. First one will be the wiring, just like Clayton said. I can back it to from the cigarette lighters not working, the lights shutting off on me. I was driving, went over the bridge, hit a bump, hit another bump, you know, like the bridges where it connects to the road. Lights just shut off, and it was like 8 or 9 o'clock at night. Kansas City, it's not that fun. Number 2, drive shaft joint. Personally, I just think it's kind of stupid how that bit where the drive shaft connects to the axle, it's a rubber bit. I just don't like it. I'll have a picture of it right now. Number 3, just like Clayton says, the suspension. It's all too complicated. It's all not that good. It's not built for quality and not built for ride quality. Number 4, the plastics. Everywhere around is just shitty plastic. And yes, I know it's a thing with Dodge that the dash is supposed to be squeaky and shitty. And you'd be right. You can hear it. It doesn't stop. Ever. The dash is actually cracked up here. I can't really see it, but it's up there. Oh, another thing that I just thought of too. The fucking vents. Every fucking Dodge, every Chrysler 300, they all do it. Both sides. I just haven't fixed mine yet. I'll get there. Number 5. The lack of features in an SXT. Clayton's is a 2005 RT, and the amount of features he's getting makes my car feel like it's 6 times older. I get to look at the weather. I get to look at the temperature and my mileage. That's it. I don't get heated seats. No automatic lights. The blandest radio. Nothing on the steering wheel. Just boring. I guess now I'll give you some honorable mentions. The seals. These, all the seals. Dodge, I guess that goes with the Dodge plastic. There you go. Another one. You don't have an oh shit handle. Neither side does. That's just personal. I want that. Another plus is the aftermarket swappability. When I say that, I mean, yeah. Like Clayton mentioned earlier, we got another video coming out probably next week or Sunday. I'm not sure. This one will be out Thursday. Yeah. We're shooting this on Wednesday, which is usually when we upload, but we didn't have anything. We couldn't get filmed Tuesday. We mentioned earlier that we're both waiting on parts. Clayton's waiting on coil packs. I'm waiting on power steering rack, as you guys seen in the last video. I had to replace it, you know. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it too. It'll be in the down description. You guys have any things you guys hate about Dodge Magnum or the 5.7 or the 3.5? Leave in the comments. I guess that's it for the rest of the video, so I'll let Clayton do the outro.
If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe for more, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.